So hey friends, what's up? I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about my YouTube setup. So let's get straight into the video. Let's start from that corner. Here you can see the lamp glowing with a fluorescent light, and you can also see a cube lying there. That cube, I bought it for just 50 rupees, and next to it is my headphones. This is really cheap headphones. I bought it for rupees 800, but you can also get it on Amazon for 600, I think so. And it is really cool, and it also fits you as per your choice because of this increasing band, and its sound quality is good. I will soon be uploading an review for this headphones. Its model is SH12, and so now let's look upon the next thing. Next thing on my setup is this iPad. You can see here, it's 2018 models, it's 6th gen. This iPad, I also use it for editing my voice, and also this iPad is really cool. Under 28,000, I got it for nearly 25,000 I got it, and it's a really cool machine to be bought, and editing on it is really smooth. With this, I use a link stylus pen plus stylus link touch, and this is also really cool, and this works fine, smooth, just like Apple Pencil. Apple Pencil costs around 10,000 or 11,000, but this is just 20 rupees, and it's really smooth. It works fine on it, and also this iPad's camera is also good. I will soon be uploading a review for this iPad after the use of 4 to 5 months. So let's switch on to the next thing in our list. Next thing on my setup is my laptop. That's my editing machine, and this laptop comes with i3 Core i3. I bought it 1 year ago. That was around 35,000, I think so, 35,000. And with it, I also bought this keyboard and this mouse, you can see here, and also this lamp also looks good on my setup. Now you will ask why I have added so much of lamps, because it looks really nice, and as it looks really nice and also adds some lighting to my video, so I add up these types of lamps in my setup. So let's now talk about the laptop and the keyboard. This is my laptop, as you can see, and this laptop comes with Intel 4000 graphic card and a 4 GB RAM and 1 terabyte of storage, and its keys are really sleek so that it helps us in faster typing. And also I bought with it my keyboard. You can see here, it's HP's keyboard, and it is I think so mechanical keyboard, as it gives sound, and also as the H branding of HP, it has a warranty of 1 year, and my laptop has a warranty extended warranty of 2 years, and here you can see my mouse which helps in my editing, because on the touchpad or the trackpad there is really difficult for editing. And also I play some games like GD5 which and this helps me as gaming mouse, though it does not have any extra functional buttons, but still it helps me. And in my gaming I also use these headphones. These headphones has a mic here, so in 800 no gaming headphones come, and you can also listen the voice quality. If you are able to listen, I think so, maybe.
Battery is low.
So sorry for that. Battery is low. You can listen with sound quality, and it also comes with the radio mode.
Battery is low. Please reach.
And it also comes with a Bluetooth, and it is a wireless headset. And also it has some functional buttons for picking up the call, for increasing the volume, decreasing the volume, changing the track. It's really nice for the cost of 600 to 800, and it's Rexin. After use of 7 months, it's not broken from any side. And you can also see here the dictionary. That's not the real dictionary, it's just a showpiece. You can see here it's just a showpiece which has a locker in it. You can see here it has a locker in it, and I keep my Arduino in this for my Arduino projects. I like programming, so I bought it for just 350 rupees from Delhi. And so now let's look upon the next thing on our setup. Next thing on our setup is that lamp. This lamp is really good, and it helps in my studies as well, and it also adds good look to my setup. So now let's look upon the next thing in a setup. Next thing in a setup is that you can see here speakers, and there is Sony speakers, so its sound quality is really good. So let's talk upon it. Here you can see Sony speakers lying here, and it comes with a glass back finish. You can see here, and this Sony speaker has a really good quality in sound, and it also has this remote, IR remote, and I'm using it from 2 years, and it's working pretty nice. As if you can listen, I can show you the sound quality of these speakers. Now listen. If you can listen, it also has a loud bass. Now let's stop this music. And it also has a woofer. I will post the each and every product's link in the description, and its model is SAD100. So if you like to buy this, you can buy from any of the website. I will post links of both the websites. So let's switch on to the next product on a setup. I use this Gorilla Pod for shooting of my video. This Gorilla Pod costed me around rupees 1 to 200, and but it will cost you online rupees 500, but in offline market you can get it from 1 to 200 rupees. And I got it for free, this mobile holder, and it has really the tough build quality. So at the back you can see the backlighting going on there, and it is RGB light, and it is controlled by this remote. If you can see, it's controlled by this remote, and if I change its light, you can see it changes to blue, and it changes to green as well, and it changes to red as well. And as it is RGB, it also comes with a flash option in it. You can pause the video and see which options are available in this, and it has each color available in it. The most color I love is this color. You can see here, it's a really cool color, and also adds to my gaming setup the insane look. So this is all for this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video, and if you like it, please comment with the thumbs up. I aim for 10 likes in this video, as I am a beginner, so no high aims. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching.